Good morning, everybody. Jeff Casmer from Chicago. If you're seeing this video on YouTube and you like it, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. You want to subscribe for more great content, you know what to do. If you've got questions, you can reach me on all the platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, whatever the case may be. So I got to show you this, okay? So for folks that are familiar with me, we teach smart money. We've been teaching smart money for like almost 7 years now. And we have partnered with the Academy the entire time, and they've just celebrated their 10-year anniversary. And we realize that sometimes folks, they just have different learning skills, right? Some people can learn smart money faster than others. So we were looking for a resource or a tool that would help people master trading with the help of a resource like this that can kind of speed up the process of learning smart money. And we came across this scanner. It's called the Impulse Scanner. And this thing is amazing. So I want you to check and watch this video.
Hey there, I just want to create this quick video for you to highlight a really impressive strategy that is connected with this scanner. All right, the scanner has several indicators and strategies connected with it. This is just one of them. It's becoming one of the most popular ones there is. So let me explain what we got going on here. So I'm just going to go through some pairs here, right? And what this does is I'm going to talk about this guy right here called the macro trend. And what this is an indicator that does its best to calculate and decide when a trend is going to change and what direction it's going to go. As a trader, it's very beneficial to know what direction to trade in, right? That's where newbies get their asses kicked a lot because they don't know the right direction. They're trading in the wrong direction. All right, so that's what this micro trend indicator helps you to do. Now, it's not 100%, but oh my gosh, does it hit it a lot? Okay, so let me show you, right? So let's find last time it came out. Okay, it's right down here at the bottom. See that indicator, and it's blue pointing up. That means at this time, right, none of this price action was here when this appeared, and it said, okay, look, I think the trend is going to change, and I think it's going to go up, right? And look what happens. All right, now we have an entry model, and I want you to decide for yourself. Is this entry model difficult or is it easy? Is this something you can see yourself doing or not doing? All right, and this is it right here. Watch this. Pay attention because it's quick. All right, so we get the signal, the alert from the software, and we wait for price to go up and do its first pullback. All right, and then when it does its first pullback, we draw a trend line, and the first candle going in our direction that closes on the other side of that trend line, that's where we get in right there. That's the entry. The stop loss is down here, and check that out. I mean, look at that. That's where it decided things were going to go up, and check out what happened. How crazy is that, right? And there's other strategies to get in if you missed that, but we're just going to go over this one today. I'll make videos on the other strategies later. So here's pound USD. So check this one out, right? This is crazy. We have to go way back because this thing's been dropping forever. And guess what predicted what direction and when it was going to happen? Check this out right here. All right, there we go. We got the arrows pointing down saying, hey, this is going to go. What do? We wait for it to go. We wait for a pullback. And then we get in on the candle that closes on the other side of that trend line. And look at this thing. I mean, looks like we switched this whole move together, right? I mean, look at that. This is where it said, hey, I think you need to be selling. And look at that. All right, so you could have used this strategy, but like I said, there's a lot of other ways to enter this that I'll teach on another date. Just this one's just so dang popular. Let's go through some more. NZD USD right here. This thing said, hey, I think it's going to go down. What did it do? Boom. What do we do? And again, do you think this is hard or easy? All right, boom. Draw your trend line. Candle closes. In. All right. Was that hard or was that easy? All right, let's see. We got pound Swissy. Boom. Goes, hey, I think it's going down. What happened? Went down. All right. Draw our trend line on the pullback. Get that candle that closes. You're in. All right. And again, I'm showing you a bunch of these, right? This is not 100%. Sometimes this is not going to work out, but the amount of times it does, it's insane. All right. USD CAD. In fact, I don't even have an example I can show you out of 28 pairs where it didn't work out. It's been a great couple of days, but again, it'll get it wrong now and then. But here we go, USD CAD signal staying up, right? What happens? Look at this, right? I mean, look at that. It grabbed the move down here, and then what are you doing? You're waiting for that pullback, right? Right here we get a pullback, get that candle going up, and you're in on this massive move, right? This is the last one I'll do, so because I think you're kind of getting the hang of it, right? This one's saying it's going down. It goes down. What do? We wait for that pullback, draw the trend line. You could even done one here if you wanted to be a little bit more aggressive. Right, on these 3 candles here. Either way, you get in at the next candle close on the other side, and boom, you got that move. All right? So again, I ask you, is this hard or is this simple? Right? If you had your hands on this software, could you do this? Right? And this is, again, only one of many strategies. There's strategies to jump in that trend as it goes, because you might not be there at the charts when this signal happens. Right? You may come, later in the day, and there's other ways to enter that are just as freaking awesome, right? But this one's been very, very powerful. It's a very popular one. There's over 12,000 logins into this software every single day, and over 11 million logins since the launch of this. That's how popular this is. Okay, so if you want more information on everything this thing does, all right, go ahead and reach out to me. Either comment on this video. I might even have a button that says "Learn More" or "Get Updates" or something. You'll notice what to do. Do it. I'll get you the information ASAP, and trust me, you're going to want to know the full power of this thing. This right here, what I showed you, is only the tip of the iceberg. All right? Go ahead, let me know you want the details, and I'll get them to you ASAP.
Okay. Seriously. Okay. Amazing, amazing resource. So get back to me. I'll give you more information. Plug into this community, get this powerful scanner, and let's go. All right? Have a great day, everybody.